Okay, so this short 3-minute video is going to fix pretty much all your sleep problems. And from what I know, even some of the army people use this technique. So if it works on them, then it is going to work on you. So to fix your sleep, you need to fix your circadian rhythm, which is like a clock inside your mind, which tells you when to wake up, when to go to sleep, when to eat, when to feel hungry and stuff. If you can fix your circadian rhythm, then you can fix your sleep cycle, and all your sleep problems will go away. So to fix your circadian rhythm, as soon as you wake up, you need to go outside and make sure that your eyes see some sunlight, because sunlight is going to fix your circadian rhythm. Like, that is how your brain works. In old human days, clocks didn't exist, so people used to determine time by the position of the sun in the sky, and that biological mechanism is still there in your body. So when you wake up and go outside in the daylight, your circadian rhythm, the clock inside your head, it synchronizes with the actual time of the day, and that helps you to fix your sleep. So there are two ways you can do this. First, you can fix your circadian rhythm a little bit every single day. So let's say 15 minutes every single day. So to do this, you need to start waking up 15 minutes early every single day until you reach your target wake up time. So let's say normally you wake up at 10 a.m. and you want to start waking up at 8 a.m. So on day 1, you'll wake up at 9:45, day 2, 9:30, day 3, 9:15, day 4, 9 o'clock, and so on until you reach 8 o'clock. And as soon as you wake up, you will go outside and take the sunlight. Sunlight coming from window doesn't count because that is not that effective. You need to be surrounded by sunlight from all the areas around you. Do this at least for 10 minutes, if more then better, but if not, then at least do for 10 minutes. Or if you want some faster results, you can wake up very early in the morning one day and then go to the bed early on the same day. The only problem with this technique is that you'll be in a pretty bad mood and pretty irritated for the entire day because you'll be sleep deprived. But if you're watching a video like this, then you already are kind of sleep deprived, so it kind of balances out. Next, there's a technique which you can use to fall asleep quickly. So when you go to bed, normally it takes like 15 or 20 minutes for you to fall asleep. But with this technique, along with the circadian rhythm thing which I got previously, you can fall asleep in literally like 3 minutes, 5 minutes maximum. And this is going to sound weird, but trust me, it works. So when you go to bed, tell yourself that I have done enough today, there is no need for me to work anymore, and I'm going to sleep nicely for now. Because normally, let's say if you had a lot of work to do today and you go to bed and you didn't really complete all of the work, then that pending work is going to keep bothering you every now and then, and you won't be able to fall asleep. Even on the days when you did do a lot of work, you can actually feel like I have not done enough work, and subconsciously it kind of keeps bothering you. But when you go to the bed with this mindset that I don't really care, fuck everything, I'm going to sleep nicely and deal with all my problems tomorrow, then that is going to create a significant difference in your sleep. The next step is to make all the muscles in your body quite loose. So when you go to bed and you sleep in some weird position like me, like putting your hands above your head or something, then that is going to make it very difficult for you to fall asleep. So when you go to bed, just make sure all the muscles in your body are quite loose. Just imagine yourself sleeping on a cloud. It is very peaceful and there is not a single muscle in your body that is tense. And not just your hands or legs, this is also true for your facial muscles. So when you do this, both your mind and your body is going to be pretty relaxed and pretty calm. The only problem is overthinking, the thoughts which you are going to keep getting. And the way to overcome that is to not pay any attention to it. Just think of your brain as a 5-year-old kid. It is shouting and screaming and it keeps bothering you, but you are not paying any attention to it. You just need to relax yourself and have this sort of I don't give a fuck attitude towards your thoughts. And that is how you can sleep very fast. And that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching.